Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make horizontal scroll in Figma. Creating a horizontal scroll effect is a fundamental skill for many interactive designs, allowing users to explore more content without cluttering the screen. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your frames to activating the scroll behavior. This technique is perfect for carousels, image galleries, or extensive data tables, enhancing user experience significantly. First, you need to set up your parent frame. This frame acts as the viewport for your scrolling content. Select it and adjust its width to exactly what you want your users to see at one time. For example, if your design is for a mobile screen, set the parent frame's width to 375 pixels. Crucially, enable the Clip Content option in the Design panel to ensure anything outside this frame's boundaries is hidden. Next, arrange all the elements you want to scroll horizontally. Group these items into a single, larger frame. This content frame will hold all your images, cards, or text blocks. Position this entire content frame inside your parent frame. It is vital that the content frame's width is greater than the parent frame's width. For instance, a content frame of 1000 pixels within a 375 pixel parent frame allows for significant scrolling. Finally, let's activate the horizontal scrolling. Select your parent frame, then navigate to the prototype panel on the right sidebar. Under the Overflow Scrolling section, choose Horizontal Scrolling from the drop-down menu. This tells Figma how to handle the content that extends beyond the parent frame's boundaries. Now, click the Present button in the top right corner to preview your design and test the smooth horizontal scroll you have just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.